In this video, you will learn how to use the average function in Excel. Here we have monthly sales figures for XYZ Company, which has 4 offices in New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Chicago. Before diving into examples using the average function, let's discuss the mathematical concept of average. Average, also known as the arithmetic mean, is the sum of a collection of numbers divided by the count of numbers in that collection. Let's look at an example of average. Here I will start a formula with the equal sign, then open parentheses, then select cell B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8, close parentheses. Now we have a sum of a collection of numbers, and let's divide that by the count of numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So we'll enter 4 and hit enter. Now we have the average of these 4 numbers. The average function returns the average or arithmetic mean of a list of arguments. Arguments can be numbers, names, ranges, or cell references that contain numbers. The average function enables you to calculate an average of a range of numbers without having to add them up one by one and then divide them by the count of the numbers. Let's calculate the average sales for January once again, but this time using the average function. I'll go ahead and delete this from the previous example and start a new formula using the equal sign, then type average to specify the average function, opening parentheses. As you can see, the average function has one required argument, which is the range of numbers that you want to average. So I will highlight the 4 January sales figures, close the parentheses. Now let's take a look at this formula. Equal average B5 through B8, which is the range of numbers that we want to average. We'll hit enter, and now we have the average for the January sales figures. What if we wanted to calculate the average monthly sales for the New York office? Let's go to cell F5 and once again start a formula with the equal sign, type in average to specify the average function, opening parentheses, and then highlight the New York sales figures in cells B5 through D5, close parentheses, and hit enter. We get $238,333, which is the average monthly sales for the New York office. What if we wanted to calculate the average total sales for the 4 office locations? Let's go to cell E11, start a formula with the equal sign, type in average to once again specify the average function, opening parentheses, highlight the total sales, close parentheses, hit enter. Now we have the average total sales for the 4 office locations. Finally, what if we wanted to calculate the average monthly sales for XYZ Company? We can go to cell F9, equal sign, average, opening parentheses, highlight the total sales figures for each month, closing parentheses, hit enter. Now we have the average monthly sales for XYZ Company. In this video, we learned how to use the average function in Excel to answer some basic business questions. To recap, the average function returns the average or arithmetic mean of a list of arguments. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to use the average function in Excel. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on so we can continue to help you learn new things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.